Hi guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna bake a vanilla cake. The first step is preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Next step, in the mixer, add eggs and sugar. This is the mixer, so add eggs. Here are the eggs. Oh God, this is gonna make a mess. Disgusting. And sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Goodness. And vanilla. Vanilla. Smells yum. Oh God, I'm just gonna pour some in there. And then pour some in there. Is that enough, Mama? Okay. And add 2 cups of it. Okay, ooh, that smells good. Tastes weird. And now,
press here,
down. And now you mix it until it's very, 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 very fluffy. Can you hear me? Gosh, that's loud. And then, when it's ready, it will be all fluffy.
You like vanilla cake?
Yes, I love vanilla cake.
We're gonna do a big cake.
We're gonna make an amazing giant cake.
Almost done.
It's almost done. It just takes forever. So, I live in NSW, Australia. In Sydney. In DY. And I'm not telling you because I want you to know my address. No. I just want to say, I am going to make videos every single Friday. And today's Friday. So, yeah. If you watched my video yesterday, you might know. Almost done. Almost done. Might take a while. Turning it down. There it goes. And now we just wait a few more seconds. Yeah, this is getting kind of boring. Let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you won that round, hit the like. If you didn't, subscribe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you won that round, comment down below. Baking is fun. And if you didn't win, comment down. Baking is fun. Okay. Is it done?
A tiny little bit more.
It's almost done. Like a little bit. How long, Mama?
I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Maybe 30 seconds.
Just 30 seconds until we have a nice, fluffy, fun thing. Ah. Just gonna take a little longer. One more round of rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you want that round, comment down if you're a boy or if you're a girl. And if you like chocolate or vanilla mugs. Almost done. Okay, yes, it's almost done. Is it done? I think it is. Let's just see if it's very, very fluffy. Do you think it's fluffy, Mama?
Look. Yes. Hello. Now we have to put this. Okay.
This is my mom. So now we have to put flour in it.
And now we're gonna speed it very slow. Okay.
Now we have to spin it. Now we have to spin it very slow.
Just a little bit.
It's literally on 2, so. And it will almost be done. Is it almost done?
Agora a gente vai tirar, tá?
Now we have to take this thing off. And later I can lick it because I love licking batter.
Já vou, filho.
Now do we mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry guys, it was just a bad incident. We just dropped the camera, so
So this bit,
just look.
you need help from your parents because it's hot milk.
And hot, hot, hot melted butter. And then you mix.
Now we take it from the mixer.
Ooh.
Wait. Let me have a look there. Já vou ver, mãe.
So this is my mom. And yeah, she's a baker. And this is me. This is my brother. He's the one who started the YouTube channel. So shout out to Gustavo, my little brother. Well, that looks satisfying.
That's the final batter.
Now we have to put baking powder.
No, we already did it. It's mixed with the flour.
Oh, we already put that in.
Okay. So you have this big tray here.
And then we throw it in. Ooh, chocolate. So, do you like to bake? Or do you like interviewing stuff? Or do you like art? Comment